ka.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna play Roblox.
I will pick the game. Okay, let's play Chainsaw Man then. Wait, I need to clear my surroundings.
Me too. You didn't see what I used to record videos there.
Come on, join. Wait. Okay, join me in Chainsaw Man. Bye. Understand. I will become the Shark Man.
Shark theme!
Shark Man.
I'll become the...
You're not here. What the hell? Oh my god, darling. No way.
Wait.
What the hell?
I can see Agent B!
Are you an angel?
No, I'm right behind you! I'm behind you!
What are you? Who are you? Chainsaw?
I'll become Chainsaw Man. I'm good at
there's
controlling
someone
him.
here.
Wait, look at my graphics. It's old.
Okay. No. Oh, I'm stuck. There's my Oh, I have the glitch again. Look. After this video, let's play chess.
Yes,
I've improved.
after a YouTube short.
Okay. We will show all our cards.
Yes. Only our strong. I mean, only our Arceus.
He has 3. I has 3.
By the way, it's the strongest card. It has infinity life and damage. That means
The weakness of the Arceus is toot.
yes,
That has been removed for the video. Sorry.
we're gonna blur it so you don't use it against our Arceus.
Against. Oh no!
But at least I'm the first boss of cards in my school. And why are you attacking me?
No, I'm dead. I glitched. I
Don't-
will become Katana Man.
Don't make. I'll become
God,
Bomb Boy Arc.
Bomb Boy or Bomb Girl?
Bomb Boy. Bomb, so it's strong.
I
This
became Katana.
by the way, it's overpowered.
Where are you? I became Bomb.
Look, it's overpowered.
No, I can kill you. Oh dear.
You can't even beat
Gun.
Gun Devil.
Done. Killed him. Already done. Killed him. Already done. It was so beautiful. Did not even kill me. That you took more than that to kill me. Yeah.
I have bomb power. You can't beat me. Yeah, Titanic bomb.
Oh no, I can't transform.
I'm ready.
Look at my next transformation.
How dare you? Boom, shit.
The deer have to run. I have to run. Oh.
Come here. What?
Ah! I'm gonna die. Look at my next transformation anyways.
You're weak at this
Curse.
game. See, Blood? Why Blood? Very weak. I'll become Vulture, the strongest skin. It can one-punch man you.
Not vote. No, that's violence.
Violence.
Okay, you don't know how to read. Wait, we're team, right? I'm Maki. Let's go.
Who?
What the hell? Oh my
Wait.
god. I need
That's
no way.
a villain in Chainsaw Man.
What? Who? I saw Someone copy your name. I thought that was you.
Who? What's his name?
I don't know.
RP?
Yes, RP1. The same name as you. Oh, Chris.
Ngagnan face na. What
The
face?
same as yours.
Vulture?
Doing the most.
Like this? Look,
Yes.
I'm dead. Let me see if
Oh my
there's a
God,
liar. There's no other RP.
There is. Yaker, yes, the same.
I'm gonna become.
Oh my God. You need to become first. Help me.
Go! Why my game has all graphics?
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, don't. I'm gonna run. Oh my God. Oh, there's shark.
Very weak, bomb devil. Who call me? Oh, there he.
Oh God. Let's run. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, sorry. I meant to hit this shark. No, get out.
Angel devil? That's the angel devil.
He sucked my blood. Okay, that's what you get angel. Stop.
How is an angel a devil?
I'm gonna do the ultimate waka waka
Ah, come here!
I'm gonna do the ultimate waka waka no, my friend. I'm gonna avenge you. Don't eat his steak. I'm protecting your steak. I'm protecting your steak.
Just eat it.
No.
Here comes the bomb.
No, it's yucky. Because you're yucky. You can't get any girl. Help, man.
No.
Oh, dear. I saw their coming.
Oh,
Died.
how dare you?
I'm gonna become...
This ends now. What?
I think
How
it's
dare
my
you,
turn
sir?
to become Chainsaw Man.
How dare that bacon?
Where's that big? I
No!
saw a game after this that can eat a bacon. It's Venom Simulator.
What's Venom Simulator?
It can eat a bacon. Yeah?
8?
Eat a bacon. Venom Simulator. If you become a big Venom, you can eat a bacon. I'll show you after this video.
By the way, guys.
Subscribe.
Yes, and make
Like
sure
the
your
video.
game. And by the way, make sure your game don't have ads. It annoys.
Stop.
Like mine, it has a lot of boring ads.
Stop. I died.
And who's Katana Man?
I died. I am gone.
Finally, new graphics.
Here you go. That's what you get.
Bomb blood.
Okay, there.
I'm bomb blood.
There we go. There we go.
Yeah.
Stop. Oh.
Comment down below what video next we'll do. Oh. Wow.
If you want us to react, hit that like button. If it turns blue, you're not lying.
Wait, Fortnite.
Fortnite Battle Pass.
That's Call of Duty.
I hate mamas. Don't wanna know. I became bomb again. Fortnite Battle Pass.
How dare you?
Sorry. I tried to hit this shark.
Why me?
I aimed that shark. He's a copycat. He copied me.
Don't make me become violence.
Be violent.
Wait.
Ooh,
Ah.
I did a combo.
What?
There's a lot of meat. There's a lot of meat here. I'm protecting it. You ate my meat.
Hey, dare you? How dare you, Mero?
Male kid meat.
I ate my own meat.
Hey, you. Fortnite.
One part! Look, I'm a karate man. Alam na. Karate. Look at this, I mean. Karate.
Ayan.
Yeah.
You're karate out, but I'm karate black.
What do you mean?
Ayan. Yum, 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 yum. Combo time. Fortnite Battle Pass.
Comment down below your favorite country. Did you see that?
What?
My special move.
This guy does not have a shirt.
And this bacon
Look,
and this bacon has headless.
hey, bro, that bacon is rich.
Come to my location. I see headless
Where? Where's headless?
here, and
I see headless. Now he has a head.
because he used the skin with a head. And why that guy has no shirt and karate. One hit in karate.
Zero hits in taekwondo.
Yeah.
I'm about to die in...
Yeah.
Okay, let's end the video. I'm already fighting.
Who's that? How dare you?
I hate him. Come on, let's...
Oh.
Oh,
Oh. How dare you?
who's that?
Killed RP.
It's me.
How dare you kill me?
But I am...
I'm stronger now. The bomb arc.
Dun, 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 dun.
How dare you? How dare you?
Combo. Combo.
Stop, time out.
Combo.
What? How dare you? I said time out.
I can kill you now. I can kill everybody. No one can stop me now.
All team up with me.
No one can stop me now.
Just a
The
sharp.
Karate Kid.
Stop, I have an ad. How dare you?
Okay, a lot of people are killing you, not me. I'm not killing you.
Ah!
He's going mega mode.
I saw that. Come here.
But I will eat you now. I accidentally ate the wrong person. Only one now.
Headless is with my team.
Okay.
And he's targeting you.
Rosindra! Rosindra! Yappa!
Comment if you want to play. We will play Plants vs Zombies.
In what?
Zombies.
Okay.
That game is about strategy.
And 4 degrees.
Take
4
what you
degrees.
done.
Okay, that's what you get. Okay, I'm gonna die.
Come here. Ow!
That's what you get.
Help!
He got us me the yes. You can't kill me now. Okay, bomb again.
Oh, there.
Where's the bomb?
Leave me alone. How dare you?
Where are they? I will help.
Hey!
Taekwa ka, Sudan. Sudan! I'm Sandan. Come on.
Come on. That's what you get.
I'll helping you. Did I help you? And let's team up. I'll kill this man.
Oh, eat the meat.
Okay.
So you'll regenerate. I'll get my card out. Well,
I killed you. Double meat, double healthy. Yummy meat. Yoka.
no.
Bird,
No, I don't have a character. Never mind that you pick.
I killed you.
Don't.
I wanna see us with your body.
How? Surrender.
Okay, let's be friends. I'll not betray. Ah, I'm a glitch.
How dare you?
I glitched you. I glitched us both. I glitched us both.
I'll end the video so I'll fix the glitch.